with Jacqueline, and we are dividing mixed numbers. And I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the steps, but you're going to do the writing for me, okay? So here you go. Okay, so when we're dividing mixed numbers, it's similar to multiplying, but there's just one extra step that we have to do. Okay, so the first step, what do you think we need to do?
You have to change it into an improper fraction.
Okay, so go ahead and change these both to an improper fraction. And talk me through it.
You have to multiply the denominator and the whole number.
Very good.
And it equals 25, and then you add it 2.
Okay, and what does that give you?
27.
Okay. You're going to write 27 over 5. Good. And let's go ahead, and we're going to skip this part right here, but how do you change that to an improper fraction?
You have to multiply the denominator and the whole number.
Very good.
It equals 6, and then you add the 1.
Okay, so what does that give you?
7.
Okay, so go ahead and write it right up here, right below the mixed number. How would you write it as an improper fraction?
You put 7 over 3.
Okay, now, when you're multiplying, you would just go ahead and multiply straight across. But now we're dividing. Dividing is the inverse of multiplying. So what we need to do is we're going to change this to multiply, so go ahead and put the multiplying sign there. But then we need to take the reciprocal of 7 over 3. Do you know what the reciprocal is?
3 over 7.
Very good. So let's go ahead and let me erase this. And let's go ahead and write the reciprocal right here. Okay, so now you remember how to multiply fractions. What would you do?
You multiply 27 times 3.
Okay, so go ahead and do that. If you need some scratch work, you can do some scratch work over here. Okay, so go ahead, there you go. And then what's our next step?
And multiply the denominator.
Okay, so what do you get when you multiply 5 times 7?
35.
Okay, so that's a very large number, but is that a proper fraction?
It's an improper fraction.
Okay, so how would you go through and change it back to a mixed number?
You divide.
Okay, so go ahead over here. Go ahead and do the division for me, please. You got some big numbers there, 35. You want to try twice and see if that's enough to go in there? 2 times 5 is?
70.
70, okay, go ahead. And then, what's our remainder? 11. Okay, so how would you write that as a mixed number?
It would be...
Go ahead and write it over there, write an 81 over 35. Very good. Go ahead and put our equal sign right here. Now, how do you know that this is simplified? What kind of gives you a clue that it's simplified?
Because 11 is in a prime number.
Very good. 11's prime, so we know that's going to be the simplest form, okay? Very good. High five. Good job. All right.